how to connect the laptop to Projector. So if you're willing to pretty much stream your screen's contents from your laptop to a external projector, this is actually not that hard to do. So just be sure to navigate to your settings, and in here in the search, just type in project or projector. And as you can see, we have here different options. So we have duplicate or extend a connected display, connect to a wireless display, and also we have projection settings. I suggest going here first and just navigate here and just choose any settings that you wish. If you want to edit something, make something more suitable to yourself, just make sure to go here. Then when you're ready to connect, go ahead and type that in again. Connect to a wireless display. So this is going to be under system and display. And in here, just press on connect. Then you will get this little drop down. Then you will get this new window that will pop up. It will search for the display that you have just connected, whether that's wirelessly or wired. You can just choose it, just like you choose your Wi-Fi connection, connect to it, and then your laptop will be available to project to that external screen. As you can see, pretty simple, guys. If you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to like and subscribe.